title, 4th place, safety. Serie A Game Day 37 is worth the entire season. After defeat in the derby, Inter host Siena at the San Siro, where the champions beat last season at the Franchi Stadium to claim the title. Mario Beretta's team, with mathematical safety secured last week thanks to a win over Juventus, on paper come to the Miazza Stadium on a day trip, and the coach of the Tuscan outfit is guaranteed his players will give their all. So the Nerazzurri have to muster the concentration that has led them to where they are, 3 points ahead of AS Roma, but any slip-up by Javier Zanetti and his teammates could open the door to the Giallorossi. That's exactly what Luciano Spalletti's men are hoping for, already sure of second place after last weekend's victory at the Marassi Stadium, and ready to host Atalanta in the last home game of the campaign. Fiorentina have lost 4th place after falling in Cagliari, who will try to snatch it back from under the noses of AC Milan, who travel to Napoli. The Franchi Stadium in Florence awaits Parma, desperate to free itself from the grips of Serie B. With Adrien Mutu suspended for the last 2 matches, it will be Gianpaolo Pazzini to bear the weight of the fuel attack, while the Giallo-Blu cling on to Cristiano Lucarelli, the match winner last Sunday against Genoa. The relegation playoff at the Granillo Stadium is decisive, where Regina, after securing 3 important points at Catania, are called on to condemn Empoli in order to save themselves. The experience of captain Nicola Amoruso against the talent of wonderkid Sebastian Giovinco, who will come out on top. At the Pichi Stadium, Torino are also hunting survival after ending their deep crisis last week with the win against Napoli. It certainly won't be mission impossible, as Livorno have been decimated by 6 players out suspended. Just as desperate are Catania, who travel to Juventus. After Zenga's players, who lost the derby of the South to Regina, now sit only 1 point above the drop zone, and will find Juventus looking to right last week's disappointing performance in Siena. Continuing their extraordinary climb away from the danger zone, which culminated with a win over Fiorentina, Cagliari are out to claim the decisive safety point at the Friuli Stadium. Waiting for them are Udinese, who have snatched 6th place away from Sampdoria, thanks to the win at Empoli. Meanwhile, Walter Mazzari's Blu Cerchiati, punished out of proportion last week by AS Roma, landed Palermo's Barbera Stadium, where the matchup of Amauri against Antonio Cassano promises to be spectacular. The final match is at the Ferrari Stadium between Genoa and Lazio, with Marco Borriello out to score goal number 20 and claim the title of Serie A top scorer.